Today I'm going to show you how to make some sparkly spiderwebs with hot glue and glitter. So you want to start by getting something plastic that the hot glue won't stick to. I'm using an old herb jar top here. And you just want to run a line of hot glue across it and sprinkle some glitter on it while it's still hot. Then run a line across the other direction to make kind of an X. And then sprinkle glitter on it while it's still hot. And then run a third line across that X and sprinkle glitter on it while it's still hot. Those will be the spokes for your web. So then you want to go around doing the interior lines and sprinkling glitter on them while they're still hot. And you don't want to do too many at one time. I'm only doing about 3 here because you want to make sure that the glue is hot enough to hold the glitter. So you just go until you have all the spokes covered with the little webs. And then you should have an entire web covered in glitter. So once that's cool, you just want to peel it off, and you want to do it carefully, just slowly going around each side of it, rather than trying to pull the whole thing off. Just slowly loosen it, piece by piece, until you can peel the full thing right off of the plastic. And once you've got it off, just shake off any excess glitter. And I use black glitter, but you could use orange or any other Halloween color that you wanted. There'll be little glue strings which kind of help add extra spiderweb look to it. So just take a piece of Halloween colored ribbon and loop that through your spokes, and then you get yourself a little Halloween glittered spiderweb that you can hang wherever you want.